Hello everyone, today is actually day 15 of my 30-day stay indoor challenge. So it's halfway and I'm going to cut my hair. I guess my hair isn't too long, but the Chinese New Year is coming and we have a tradition not to cut our hair in the traditional Chinese January, so the first month. And I'm doing a stay indoor challenge anyways. I'm probably going to extend the challenge, so I'm not going outside for a long time. I guess I can just cut my hair by myself. This is what I'm going to do. I have the scissors by myself and I'm going to cut it. So this is how I'm going to do it. And you can see it's difficult when I keep the camera on, so I'm going to stop recording and show you the final result. Oops. I have cut the hair with a big scissor and I'm going to fix it with a small one. Okay, now I have finished the cutting, so this is what my hair look like. You may not see it very clearly from the mirror, I guess. So I would say on camera it looks well, but it may be not so well on the places that I cannot see. So, but I guess I'm not going outside for a long time. The only thing I need is to do the recording, so it works. And when it's safe to go outside again, probably I will do a proper haircut instead. So I guess that's it. And the only thing I need to do is to clean the sink. Okay. So that's where my hair end up with. I guess it's alright, so I can just do a full cleaning and but I guess I'm satisfied for now. Hope you enjoyed this video